Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. You're here with Kika Kathy, and today I'm gonna do a drugstore makeup look. Everything that I'm gonna be using today is gonna be at least $8 and less. So go ahead and start. Alright, so my face is ready to go. This is all moisturized and everything. So we're gonna start with my favorite primer. This is my favorite drugstore primer. I already did a review about this. If you want to see it, I will put it in the cards and a link down below if you want to watch that. But this is so good. I even use it even if when without a foundation, when like I'm in a rush and I just want to make that pores look smaller, face like a little, you know, blurred and pretty. That's what I use. Another favorite of mine that I have been using in my channel for a while too is this Drugstore Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's been my favorite since last year, I believe. This is in caramel shade. This is the Real Technique beauty sponge. If you've been here in my channel, I like to use this as well. This is probably something that I always repurchase. I don't know why others doesn't like this. I do. I just feel like it's super helpful, like the way it's cut, and it's so much easier for me. Another favorite of mine is this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. This is a little bit super, it's not a little bit, it's actually extra light on my skin, but that's because that I kind of use this as well as my brightening, you know. I also have the hydrating one, but I haven't really tried it. You see why I like this sponge? So I usually use this for my foundation and this side for my concealer. And then sometimes I even use this to do like a contour. Little goes a long way. So if you're planning to get this, make sure you don't put too much because it's very pigmented. Another favorite is from Maybelline Master Fix powder. So we're gonna let's do my eyebrows first. Recently just saw this. I'm not sure if this is brand new, but this is like an eyebrow eyeliner gel. This is in the shade of Espresso. This is my first time using this really, so I'm not sure. Bear with me. Oh, that's very pigmented. That is super pigmented. It looks nice. I haven't really used this as well. This is from NYX. This is the HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base.
Got it?
I think I put too much. Next up, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. I just recently got this from the drugstore, and this is super cheap. And it looks like this is been talking about by everybody, and they said this is actually pretty good. So let's try it out. Can't believe this is only $3 though. I mean, there's only 4, but it looks bomb. The color selection in this is crazy good. So let's try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start up with this. It doesn't have a name. This light brown right here. to be my transition shade. Definitely blendable and buildable. So that's a perfect transition shade. Now I'll be using the dark brown for the side right here by the outer V. This is very pigmented for $3. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna use a pencil brush and I'm gonna be using this black one right here. Final touch. I want to see how good this is with a finger and also getting wet, also with a brush. So let's use, oh, this is really soft. And look, you know what, let me swatch all of them since there's only 4. That's the black one, the dark brown, this is the light brown, and this is that silver one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That is so pretty. Nice. A flat brush. It's even gorgeous with a flat brush. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Sweat. There's not much difference. So that means it's really giving what it's the color that it's supposed to be. Wow. So I want to use a white eyeliner, so I'm gonna be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is also a favorite. I will tell you though that it doesn't really stay as long. I totally forgot how long, but for 12 hours it doesn't stay for 12 hours. That's for sure. It's wearing everything now. Okay, so for the contour, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. This is the contour palette they have. So this is not the cream one. This is actually powdered one, and I've been using it and I like it. For the bronzer, we're gonna use the LA Girl Blush Collection Spice. This is also what I'm gonna be using for blush. And for this one, I like to mix this and this. I always grab this and use this when I'm like in a rush, because I know everything that I need for contouring and blush and highlight and all that is in this. So as you can see, it's used. I'm gonna show you my favorite highlighter, and it's from Maybelline Master Studio in the shade of 100 Molten Gold. Kind of looks like my skin, and very affordable, that I've been loving and using. is this Essence Stylist 8-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. This has lengthening fibers. I don't know about the lengthening fibers, but it does a really good job. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Kiss Blowout. This is what it looks like. So pretty. The glue that I'm gonna be using is from Kiss as well. It's the Strip Lash Adhesive. That's cut. Now I'm gonna put the eyelash glue. For the lips, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. matte, e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade of Blushing Rose. So when I use this, I don't usually put anything else on top. If I put, what I notice is, this is also my favorite. So when I notice if I use this and then use gloss on top, it's not as matte, and at the same time it doesn't stay as long, but stay long. Very creamy when you put it on, and then it dries out matte, and it looks like a healthy kind of matte, not like the dry kind of matte.
Yeah.
Isn't that gorgeous? The reason why I like this is, even if I don't use lip liner, I've used it so much that it's kind of deformed. But you see the tip right there? So it's so much easy to actually do it on your lips. Now, back to eyelashes. The final touch, the actual final touch. This is from Maybelline Master Fix, and I've been using this for a long time. This is also my favorite. Ooh, it smells so good. But if you don't like, if you don't like the smell of like perfume, or a smell really like a strong smell, this one has a strong smell. Alrighty, this is the final look. What do you think of this look? Is there any of this product that you actually already tried? I am so freaking amazed with that e.l.f. I can't believe this is only $3. This is super good. And this eyelashes, oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Of all that, do you think you're gonna get something that you would think that you're gonna try? I think that I'm gonna try the e.l.f. eyebrows more, because I want to see how good it is. So far it looks good as well, so I'm just gonna give that a try. That's it for today. I hope you like watching my drugstore favorites and brand new stuff. And if you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so the next time I upload you get notified. Anyways, I hope to see you again in my next video. Baboosh!